wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 7 best power twisters. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 7, rather than springs, the reliancer strengthener uses an enclosed hydraulic system that won't lose its firmness over time. Its polyurethane handles are textured for a secure grip, and its carbon steel structure is studded with 10 reinforcement rivets. It's available in red or grey, but there are no safety straps, and the knob can be difficult to turn. At number 6, available in 10 weight designations that start at £44 and scale up to a grand total of £242, the itta haoying offers a comprehensive selection that would go well in the sort of small private gyms you find in apartment complexes. An internal spring reduces snap back, however note that the higher resistances cost much more, and it doesn't come with an exercise plan. Coming in at number 5 on our list, the Peyond blaster comes in 4 weight resistances, the greatest of which is £110, making it a better option for beginners and those with less advanced musculature. At less than 2 feet long, it can easily be packed in duffel bags and suitcases for travel. It weighs under 4 pounds and is a polyfabric strap construction, but the grips lack substantial texturing. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for power twisters, or simply click beneath this video. At number 4, since all springs lose their tensility with time and wear, the A-System Adjustable is built with an internal spring that can be tightened so you can easily increase the resistance and potentially make up for lost tautness. It's equipped with a ridged knob to change the settings and an S-hook for storage. However, it is limited to a 17 to 46 pound range. Nearing the top of our list at number 3, the Movement Exerciser features a selection of 7 resistances, including a minimum of 45 pounds, a medium of 110, and a maximum of 220 pounds. Models range in length from 21 to 28 inches and weigh 3 to 6 pounds, increasing with weight class. It includes a training guide and a sleek black exterior. It's less than 3 inches in diameter. At number 2, the ihuniu dual spring is available in 8 weight specifications, ranging from an ultralight 44 pound option to an appropriately named 265 pound Tyrannosaurus offering. It has both internal and external springs for increased safety. It features molded plastic handles and safety straps in case of slippage. It's small and easy to store. And taking the top spot on our list, if you're looking for one exercise rod that can do the job of several, the Core Prodigy Python is the perfect choice. Its unique design features long pommels on which you can move your grip up and down to increase or decrease resistance. It's made with carbon steel springs and textured rubber grips, and ranges from 40 to 80 pounds. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for power twisters, or simply click beneath this video.